What's up YouTube, Kyle here to bring you guys a new video. So this is a recent pickup I got from Foot Locker. Now these shoes dropped a week ago or actually over a week ago, but they believe they were on Nike for only a couple of days or even one day just because they kind of sold out right away just because of all the hype. It is a low top Jordan 1, but let's just get into it. Okay, so we have the basically the Jumpman box comes with a gold Jordan 1 on it. Definitely like one of my favorites to look at. Aside from the Nike Air box. So the size tag is Air Jordan 1 Low. This is Gym Red White. So basically this is your barcode, and you can check this out. See, it's real. Canadian retail is $120, with tax was like $135. So we get taxed quite a bit here, 13%. So this is my receipt. Obviously, don't want you guys to know where I live. So it comes with the 23 wax paper. These are a lot nicer wax paper than I'm used to. I already have like 3 other pairs, but this is a lot nicer. I've been having for a while. So coming out, these are pretty nice. I still haven't owned any Chicago highs or black toes. I have Gym Red highs, but this Gym Red is pretty good. It's really clean in the picture, obviously, but it comes with white laces. Obviously, this shoe tree, this cardboard shoe tree, comes with a sewn in Air Jordan 1 logo because it's a low, but it's pretty clean. It's not bad. It's still not a Chicago red. It's a little off. I got baited by the picture, but what can you do? It comes with a white tongue. This is nylon material, but I'll show you guys the on-feet look. It's pretty clean actually, but the red is still not hitting it, so that's the problem I have right now. But yeah, so majority of these parts are leather, white leather. The red is also leather. It's just, yeah, I wish they could get the right shade of red, but it is Gym Red, so yeah. Okay, so this is how they look on feet. Let me just turn around so you can see. Sorry. They're a lot, when the lighting hits it, it looks a lot nicer as opposed to me actually just looking at it, but they're actually really clean. So I'm not too mad about it. It's just still trying to get Chicago's for not resale price. Although I'm gonna have to pay resale eventually, or I just wait it out. Not that big of a deal. Saves me money though. But I do really like that Jumpman on the tongue. Obviously Nike Air I like more, but it's not bad for how much? 135 Canadian. Not bad. I'm gonna show you guys more. Yeah, like I said, the red Jumpman on the tongue is really it pops out on the white. Although, obviously, I wish the tongue was not nylon. If it was leather, I think the pop would be a lot more nicer. But obviously, this is a loan. They're not gonna do that. The inside comes with the red Jumpman. See, this is the red I want. Compared to this, it's okay red, but I guess it's just I want this sort of red. But so far, yeah, definitely a clean shoe. Obviously casual, but but yeah, if you guys really like this video and found it informative, comment, subscribe, share this with anyone who wants to purchase this shoe. It always sells out so far. I picked it up right away when I randomly was on the Foot Locker site and was able to hit my size, so yeah, just keep looking. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.